Hi guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Dell Alien 15. So first go to dell.com. Okay, this is Dell official website. Then click on support and then go to download and driver or download Alienware 15. Okay, wait few seconds to synchronize. So this is your laptop. Scroll down, click to find specific driver. You can check the automatically, so you can select the automatic means you can see the required driver and then you can install. If you require the custom driver, so select the driver on click, then select the first operating system, Windows 10. If you are using Windows 10, Windows 11, so you can select the Windows 10, then click on categorize. Scroll down, this is all driver. So this is your laptop, and slow down, then you can see touchpad driver, and this is download icon. Download to click. When you click on download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading. This is size 63 MB. So after that you can see the touchpad is driver is downloaded, so just single click to open, then click for yes to installation start, and then click on installations. After that it will start download installations, touchpad driver. Then you can see touchpad driver has successfully updated, and then close it.